Hi everyone, my name is Clyde and in this class I'll teach you how to build a mobile app without using code. We'll be using a no-code tool called Glideapps to build a demo tours and travels app. This app will show the users a list of cities around the world and information about places to visit in each city. This app will also register if a user is interested to visit any place listed in the app. We'll learn a ton of exciting Glide features which we can use to polish our app further. So if you're interested in creating a mobile app or you're interested in learning Glide apps, then this is the right place to be. Oh, and did I tell you, the best part is that you don't even require any software development experience for this class. So happy learning, and I hope to see each one of you complete this class.